How do you make them like you? Honestly, what you need to do is just
cake
really,
and cookies. Wine helps too.
I know, right? What I do is just I think what's super important is just letting them know who you are and why you're calling them. And then after that, once they get that, then you need to just quickly blow over on just like criterias, in my personal opinion. And then when you're doing the criteria, you start getting a little bit personal. Oh, like, how come you're looking for, a large backyard? Do you have kids? Do you have a dog? Like anything that you can connect with them and basically have a conversation like you would have with a friend. That's how you start building, trust and like. And then once they know that you know the area and you know the stats and you know like the right plans for them, that's when they start trusting you, and that's when you're their basically person. So that's what I would just recommend. Like I am more of a relationship agent rather than a transactional agent. For me, that's just what's been working.